Well, well, well. If you are here, that means you are a loved subscriber of our channel, or you are in the midst of dying 1,000 deaths trying to determine how to take your toddler out for a successful and enjoyable meal for all involved, all while you stare into a void of disillusion and fear that your life will never be the same again. You think this is going to be easy? You think you're just going to sit down, little Timmy's going to be an angel, and you're going to enjoy your Eggs Benedict in peace and prosperity? I'm here to say you certainly can. Today we're tackling one of the most daunting challenges. Finding the right food on the menu for your toddler. It's like trying to pick the winning lottery numbers, except instead of millions, you're on your hands and knees on the dirty diner floor begging for 10 minutes of peace. So here are 10 ways to ensure you don't end up in a battle of wills over a meal out with your children. Let's dive in. All right, so you sit down at the restaurant, you're already sweating because you know what's coming. You get the menus and you see it, the regular menu. Really no kids menu. This is where it gets tricky. You've got to look the waiter dead in the eye and ask for the secret toddler menu. Give them everything you have. I'm serious. Ask confidently like it's the most normal thing in the world, and do not worry with the amount of tears filling up your eyes. The look on their face will tell you everything you need to know. I gotcha. Sometimes just asking, with some tears in your eyes, gets you what you need. And if not, hey, at least you got a good story out of it and can go to bed that night knowing you gave it the best college try. Okay, this one is for the parents who like to live dangerously. You know who you are. You're the ones who let your kid jump off the furniture and stick crayons up their noses and in their ears. This is the culinary equivalent of that. You find the most expensive thing on there. The lobster bisque? The filet mignon, that's your target. And if it doesn't work, well, you have a wonderful midnight snack to eat over the kitchen sink while you reflect on the day behind you. All right, let's be honest here, folks. We all know where this is going. When in doubt, chicken nuggets are your best friend. They are the universal language of toddlers. The Robin to Batman, the random 45-minute bathroom break to the father. You can dip them in anything. And the best part is most restaurants have them. Just go straight for the nuggets and be proud of your parenting decision. Fries the sidekick savior. Fries, my friends, are the Robin to the chicken nuggets Batman. They are the trusty sidekick, always there to save the day. If a dish comes with fries, you can almost guarantee that your toddler will at least try it. I mean, let's be real, fries are delicious. They're salty, they're crispy, and they're easy for your child to throw across the restaurant. So when you're scanning the menu and you see those magic words served with fries, you can breathe a sigh of relief. You found a winner. You, my friend, are a winner. You know what they say, variety is the spice of life. Well, when it comes to toddlers, variety is the enemy. They like what they like and they don't like what they don't like. Kind of like your belligerent, overly intoxicated colleague at happy hour. And 9 times out of 10, what they like is bland. Embrace the blandness. Think of it this way, at least you know they're eating something, and you will have wonderful bland leftovers to accompany your midnight lobster bisque over the kitchen sink. All right, this one is for emergencies only. Maybe. You know, those moments when your toddler has decided that they hate everything on the menu and they're about to have a full-blown meltdown in the middle of the restaurant and witness their parent and hero fall to the floor. In panic, you're desperate, you're sweating, you're admitting to cheating at words with friends, and you're pretty sure the other patrons are judging you. That's when you deploy the just bread strategy. It's not fancy, but it gets the job done. Butter and bread equal happiness. Okay, this one isn't technically on the menu, but it should be. Because when you're dining out with a toddler, patience is more valuable than gold. You're going to need it, a lot of it. Your toddler is going to reject food, they're going to throw food very far and passionately. They're going to smear food on themselves, the table, and without question you. But you've got to stay calm. Remember, you are the adult in this situation. You know what? Sometimes you just got to say screw it to societal norms and bring your own food. If your kid only eats goldfish crackers and stale Cheerios in their car seat cup holders, bring them. Your sanity is more important than what others think. Pack that sippy cup and snack container without guilt, or bring the guilt. Either way, your child will have been fed. Have you ever noticed those weird little symbols next to certain menu items? Those aren't just random doodles, they're secret codes. A smiley face means kid-friendly, a chili pepper means spicy. Unfortunately, there's no symbol for "we will watch your child for you" while you lay on the bathroom floor to meditate and contemplate your parental actions. But you get the idea. All right, I'm going to level with you here. Sometimes you just got to throw the rule book out the window and do whatever it takes to survive. And if that means ordering dessert first, then so be it. Look, I get it. We're supposed to teach our kids about patience and delayed gratification. But sometimes you just got to pick your battles. And pick the cookies. If the battle is between a peaceful meal and a screaming toddler who's demanding ice cream, or they will call into the Maury show, then I say go for the ice cream. And there you have it. 10 foolproof ways to navigate a restaurant menu with a toddler in tow. Look, I'm not going to lie to you. Taking a toddler to a restaurant is like trying to herd cats. It's chaotic, it's unpredictable, and you're going to wonder where these scratches and feelings of exhaustion came from. But hey, that's parenthood for you, right? It's a wild ride. But it's also absolutely hilarious. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more parenting tips and tricks. See you next time for more helpful parenting and adulting tips to make this life easier.